Yeah, Brian. Remove the screw of auto drain. Then we will have this part. This part. Then remove the screw here, and there's a net inside. Clean the net. Okay. And meanwhile, here also have a screw. Then remove this one. The inside there's a net. Then you remove it and clean it and see whether it works. And meanwhile, let's test. This side. This value should be 800. If it is below 800, there will be an issue. But let's check whether everything is okay and whether everything will work again. Okay.